Hi, I'm Matt J, and I am a musician and someone who really likes to jam out on ideas.
Hi, I'm Stephen Gagne. I'm a writer and filmmaker and someone whose ideas, just like us, get lost in the dark.
Something that we keep seeing over and over and over again as people who are highly creative is that there are so many places and so many ways to try to get your ideas down. It might be opening up ChatGPT, having a conversation that goes on for days and days, and then trying to scroll back through that history. It might be wanting to work from a picture, from a sketch, from a half-baked idea, and having to go through a dozen different tools to do that. That is where ideas get lost. And that is where the possibility engine comes in.
Every great idea in the possibility engine starts on a canvas from a seed node. A seed node could be created in a number of ways. It could be a text input, it could be a voice note, or, as I've done here, an image that I've uploaded and allowed the engine to decide what was in it. That node can then get fed into outputs. For example, here I've created a quick and dirty elevator pitch by telling it from my option menu that I wanted an elevator pitch and giving it the rules for creating that pitch. Within seconds, it created a pitch for me. If this pitch didn't ring true for me, I could make some suggestions, since AI doesn't always get things right, by clicking on Refine, submitting my refinement, and allowing it to rewrite. Once I was happy with what it made, I then took the bold step of sending it out for feedback by connecting a feedback node. A feedback node generates a QR code that we could share with trusted advisors, potential target audiences, or if we're really bold, the entire world. Once they fill out that form, we can see all of the feedback that they've added down here in the collected feedback section. When we trust a user, or when they've said something valuable to us, we can remix our content to automatically incorporate their feedback back into our piece. The real power of the possibility engine is we can take one output node and combine it with another node. For example, if I'm happy with my elevator pitch, and now I want to make a deck from it, I can simply connect the two together, click on Run, and start that whole cycle again. It'll generate its own. I can make my refinements, add another feedback node, send it out for feedback, and continue to the point where our idea has gone from a seed that was blocked to something that hopefully we can take to market.
The future of this app is very exciting because as a former musician or currently musician, I am excited about the idea of jamming out on my business, remixing and DJing ideas, outputs, and content in a lossless way to create new and exciting sessions for all of the business ideas that happen, and creating new ones without losing the old ones or any of the trail along the way.